Scan tools are the workhorses of any diagnostic work on vehicles. They're essential for reading and diagnosing trouble codes, monitoring live data, and even operating certain vehicle components. In short, if you're serious about vehicle diagnostics, you need a reliable scan tool. Scan tools come in two main types: factory scan tools and aftermarket scan tools. Let's break them down. Factory scan tools are specifically designed for the vehicles produced by a particular manufacturer. These are the tools used by dealership technicians to diagnose and service cars under that brand. They offer unmatched precision and access. For example, here are some popular factory scan tools: General Motors, Tech 2, Ford, New Generation Star, NGS, and IDS, Integrated Diagnostic Software. Chrysler, DRB3 or Star Scan for CAN-equipped vehicles. Honda, HDS or MasterTech. Toyota, MasterTech. One of the biggest advantages of factory scan tools is their bidirectional capability. This means they not only read data from the vehicle, but can also send commands to certain components. For example, you can test whether a fan, fuel pump, or solenoid works by commanding it directly from the scan tool. This is invaluable for troubleshooting. Factory scan tools also provide access to all factory parameters, ensuring you can monitor every detail specific to that brand. However, they are often brand-specific and can be expensive, which is why they're primarily used by dealership technicians. Let's talk about aftermarket scan tools. These are designed to work on multiple brands, making them a versatile choice for independent repair shops and DIY enthusiasts. Popular examples of aftermarket scan tools include Snap-on models like the MT2500 and Modis, OTC tools such as Pegasus, Genesis, and Taskmaster, Auto Ingenuity, which can use laptops or handheld computers for display. While aftermarket tools can display most of the data provided by factory scan tools, they may lack the full functionality required for some specialized diagnostics or module programming. For example, certain faults might not have the same level of detail or troubleshooting instructions compared to a factory scan tool. Choosing the right tool if you're working at a dealership or focusing on a single brand, a factory scan tool is a no-brainer. It offers unmatched precision, access to advanced functions, and complete coverage for that brand. However, they can be expensive and often require subscriptions for updates. On the other hand, aftermarket scan tools are more affordable and versatile. They're great for multi-brand diagnostics and independent shops. But keep in mind, they might not offer the same depth of data for certain advanced repairs. The factory tool provides access to advanced functions like reprogramming and testing individual components, which is critical for in-depth repairs. The aftermarket tool provides the same trouble code and basic live data, but it doesn't offer access to the more advanced tests or reprogramming. Both factory and aftermarket scan tools have their place in the automotive world. The right choice comes down to your specific needs, budget, and the vehicles you work on most often. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on automotive.